Picture launching your own online business, selling products to millions while working from anywhere. In 2025, e-commerce is booming, and two platforms stand out: Amazon FBA and Shopify. One leverages Amazon's massive reach, the other lets you build your own branded empire. But which is right for you? In this 10 to 15-minute showdown, we're diving into Amazon FBA versus Shopify Store, comparing their models, earning potential, challenges, and strategies to help you choose the best path for your e-commerce journey. Let's get selling, defining Amazon FBA and Shopify Store. Let's start with the basics. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a program where you sell products on Amazon's marketplace, and Amazon handles storage, packing, shipping, and customer service. You source products, send them to Amazon's warehouses, and focus on marketing and sales. It's like renting space in the world's biggest online store, tapping into millions of customers instantly. Shopify Store is a platform for building your own customizable online store. You create a website, design the look, list products, and manage everything from marketing to shipping. It's your own digital storefront, giving you full control over branding and customer relationships, but you handle logistics or partner with third-party providers. In short, Amazon FBA offers convenience and scale, while Shopify gives you freedom and brand ownership. The 2025 e-commerce landscape. It's 2025, and e-commerce is a global juggernaut, projected to hit $8.1 trillion by 2026. Amazon dominates with 37% of US online sales, processing billions in transactions through FBA. Shopify powers over 4 million stores worldwide, from small boutiques to major brands, offering unmatched flexibility. Both platforms thrive in a world of mobile shopping, AI-driven personalization, and global supply chains. Amazon FBA excels in quick scaling, while Shopify shines for those building unique brands. The question is, which fits your vision? How they work? Let's break down how each model operates. Amazon FBA. You find a product, say fitness gear or kitchen gadgets, source it from suppliers, and ship it to Amazon's warehouses. You list it on Amazon, where it appears alongside millions of products. When a customer buys, Amazon handles packing, shipping, returns, and customer support. You pay fees for storage and fulfillment, typically 15 to 40% of the sale price. Your job is sourcing profitable products and optimizing listings to rank high on Amazon's search. Shopify Store. You set up a store on Shopify, choosing a theme and customizing it to reflect your brand. You source products, list them, and drive traffic through marketing, like social media or SEO. You handle or outsource fulfillment, either shipping products yourself or using third-party services like ShipBob. Payments are processed through Shopify's gateway or external providers, and you manage customer relationships directly. Let's break down the key differences between Amazon FBA and running your own Shopify store. First up, the platform. With Amazon FBA, you're selling through Amazon's massive marketplace. You tap into their built-in traffic, but you're one seller among millions. On the other hand, with Shopify, you're building your own branded website. You're in charge, but you'll need to drive your traffic. Next, fulfillment. Amazon handles everything for you, from packing to shipping, through their FBA service. With Shopify, you're responsible for fulfillment. That means doing it yourself or hiring a third-party logistics provider. What about fees? Amazon takes a bigger cut, around 15 to 40% per sale plus storage fees. Shopify charges lower transaction fees, usually between 2.4 to 2.9%, but you'll also cover your own shipping costs. Finally, control. With Amazon, you have limited control over branding. Amazon controls the customer experience from start to finish. But with Shopify, you get full control. You can design your site, build your brand, and shape every step of the customer journey. Earning potential. How much can you make? Amazon FBA. Profits depend on product margins and sales volume. A successful FBA seller might source a product for $5, sell it for $25, and keep $10 to $15 after Amazon's fees. Top sellers earn $10,000 to $100,000 monthly by scaling multiple products, while beginners can make $1,000 to $5,000 monthly with one or two strong items. High fees and competition mean you need high sales to maximize profits. Shopify store. Earnings vary based on your niche and marketing. A store selling $50 products with a 50% margin, moving 100 units monthly, nets $2,500 before marketing and shipping costs. Successful Shopify stores in niches like fashion or tech can earn $10,000 to $50,000 monthly, with top brands hitting millions. You keep more per sale. Shopify's fees are 2.4 to 2.9%, but you invest heavily in driving traffic. Key insight. Amazon FBA offers faster sales with higher fees, while Shopify provides higher margins but requires marketing investment. Accessibility and requirements. How easy is it to start? Amazon FBA. Starting costs are moderate. $500 to $5,000 for initial inventory, plus a $39.99 monthly Amazon seller fee. You need to research profitable products, source from suppliers, often via platforms like Alibaba, and optimize listings. No website building skills are required, but you must navigate Amazon's competitive marketplace and strict rules. Beginners can start small and scale quickly with the right product. Shopify store. Starting costs are lower, $29 to $299 monthly for Shopify plans, plus product and marketing expenses $500 to $10,000. You need to design a store, source products, and set up payment and shipping systems. Marketing skills like SEO or social media ads are crucial to drive traffic. It's more hands-on but offers creative freedom for those comfortable with branding and logistics. Key insight. Amazon FBA is easier for beginners due to its built-in audience, while Shopify requires more effort in setup and marketing. Challenges and risks. Both paths have hurdles. Amazon FBA challenges. High fees. 15 to 40% per sale plus storage costs can eat into margins. Competition. Thousands of sellers compete for top spots, requiring strong product differentiation. Amazon's control. Limited branding and strict policies mean you rely on Amazon's ecosystem. Inventory risks. Overstocking or poor product choices can lead to losses. Shopify store challenges. Marketing costs, driving traffic via ads or SEO can be expensive and time-consuming. Fulfillment burden. Managing shipping or third-party logistics adds complexity. Brand building. Standing out in a crowded e-commerce space takes effort and creativity. Cash flow. Upfront costs for inventory and marketing can strain finances before sales ramp up. Emerging trends in 2025. What's shaping these models in 2025? Amazon FBA is leveraging AI for product recommendations and inventory management, while its global logistics network makes cross-border selling easier. Demand for sustainable and niche products like eco-friendly goods is rising. Shopify is enhancing its platform with AI-driven design tools and integrations for social commerce, like selling directly on TikTok or Instagram. Subscription models and personalized shopping experiences are also boosting Shopify stores, while both platforms benefit from mobile commerce and 5G adoption. Success stories. Let's look at real-world wins. On Amazon FBA, a seller launches a line of eco-friendly kitchen gadgets, sourcing for $3 per unit and selling for $20, netting $10,000 monthly after fees within a year. Another FBA entrepreneur scales to $50,000 monthly by private labeling fitness equipment. On Shopify, a fashion brand builds a loyal following with unique designs, earning $20,000 monthly through targeted social media ads. A niche pet store on Shopify hits $100,000 monthly by focusing on organic pet food subscriptions. These stories show both platforms can lead to big wins with the right strategy. Strategies for success. How do you thrive? Amazon FBA strategies. Research profitable niches. Use tools like Jungle Scout to find low competition, high-demand products. Optimize listings. Craft keyword-rich titles and descriptions to rank higher on Amazon search. Start small. Test one product before scaling to minimize inventory risks. Leverage ads. Use Amazon's PPC ads to boost visibility and sales. Shopify store strategies. Build a strong brand. Create a memorable logo, theme, and story to connect with customers. Invest in marketing. Use social media ads, influencers, or SEO to drive traffic. Streamline fulfillment. Partner with reliable third-party logistics for fast shipping. Focus on retention. Offer discounts, subscriptions, or loyalty programs to keep customers coming back. So, which path is right for you? Amazon FBA is ideal if you want quick market access, minimal setup, and are comfortable with Amazon's fees and rules. It's perfect for beginners or those focused on scaling fast with high-demand products. Shopify Store suits those who want to build a unique brand, control the customer experience, and invest in long-term growth, but it requires marketing savvy and logistics management. You don't have to choose one. Many sellers use FBA for quick cash flow and Shopify to build a brand over time. The key is aligning your choice with your budget, skills, and business vision. Amazon FBA and Shopify Store both offer incredible opportunities to conquer e-commerce in 2025. Thanks for watching, and let's make 2025 your year to sell smarter.